Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. This is Balakrishna. Welcome back to the session. We are into the subject advertising. In the advertising, we are into the topic which is called as telemarketing. Telemarketing is one of the direct marketing technique which helps in promoting the product. Uh, and telemarketing usually is a process of sending certain amount of messages, free gifts, samples, etc. by making a call either the call is initiated by the customer or the call initiated by the company. That is, either the company calls a customer or the customer calls a company. In this both the ways telemarketing happens. Now I'll be sharing you the screens which clearly informs you what are all the techniques that are followed in telemarketing, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, and what are the pitfalls of telemarketing. As a name itself indicates, telemarketing. Tele means via, the medium of information exchange is telephone. The manufacturer may call the customer or the customer may call the manufacturer. They interact with each other via telephone. The customer places an order or the manufacturer makes an inquiry. What do you mean by telemarketing? Telemarketing is a process of Telemarketing is a process of using the telephone as an interactive medium. Telephone is used as an interactive medium. Who interacts with the other, whom the manufacturer interacts with the customer, or the customer interacts with the manufacturer. Both the cases, it is called as telemarketing. The purpose of interaction is to finish up the sale. Next, it's a process of identifying the prospective candidate who are eligible for the who are in need of the product by the manufacturers, and then making a cold call or a cold call to them. What are the two types of telemarketing? The first and the foremost type of telemarketing is inbound telemarketing. Inbound telemarketing means the customer calls a business firm. The customer calls a business firm for a certain service. He can ask for availing the, for example, banking services can be used where a customer calls the customer service executive of a business firm and then inquires. All call centers, all BPOs, all software IT professionals are examples for inbound telemarketing. Second one is outbound telemarketing. Outbound telemarketing means business firm calls the customer. For example, insurance companies calls to their customers to inquire whether they are interested in the product. Mutual fund companies calls to their customers to inquire whether they are interested in the product or not. What are the advantages of telemarketing? The main advantage of telemarketing is, the first one is human interaction. The humans, that is the human beings or the customers, will interact with the manufacturers, will interact with directly with the manufacturers, or the manufacturers directly interact with the customers to finish off the sales transaction. Second one is it's helpful for small businesses. How does it help the small businesses? It helps the small businesses because it saves the time and money for them. It saves the time how the telemarketer directly interacts with the customer. The customer query is solved and the sales is finished. Or else the customer may directly calls the telemarketing executives for the need for a service. Here, third point is customer service. Usually telemarketing is mostly employed in customer services. Reduce cost. Reduce cost in the sense the expenditure is reduced. For example, if a customer wants an inquiry for a service, if he wanted the real time services, then he goes to the service showroom There he lodges a complaint and does it. But these all the things will happen with a short interval of time when the interaction goes through telephone. Next, fifth point is flexibility. The telemarketing time can be adjusted as per the schedule. For example, if the call is initiated by a telemarketing executive, what the telemarketing executive will do, he will call the customer, finds out that appointment, and finally finish off the sales. Next, response measurement. Yeah, the response for telemarketing is very good, but that is the level of response indicates the degree of effectiveness of telemarketing interactions. Immediate results. Well, no sooner the telemarketing executive calls a customer, he gets an output. That is, either the customer is interested or the customer is not interested. The immediate and instant feedback is received by the manufacturers. Cost effective. Cost effective in the sense all the telemarketing calls that are made involves less amount of expenditure. Just a fraction of minute of conversation costs less for them. What are the disadvantages of telemarketing? The main disadvantage of telemarketing is they will be unable to reach the customers. When number of inquiries, number of complaints, number of requests for the service have occurred, it is difficult for the telemarketer to address all the needs of the customers, and thus sometimes the telemarketer fails. Now we'll go to the slide, that is what is application of telemarketing. The customer can play, first one is order taking. The customer can directly place an order to the manufacturers through telephone, which is nothing but a telemarketing mechanism. Customer service. A customer can call the service center for availing certain service. It's sales support. The customer can ask the salesperson to have a demonstration, to have a trial run, to have an explanation, or to have a demo regarding the usage of the product. Account management. Sometimes what happens is, if there is a long relationship building between the customer and the manufacturers, there will be the customer will have a personal contact with the manufacturers. With this, we come to the end of the topic, which is called as telemarketing. Telemarketing can be of two folds, inbound as well as outbound. In both the cases, they interact via telephone. Sometimes the results will be immediate, and sometimes the results will not be immediate. But in most cases, whether the sales transaction is finished or whether the sales transaction is not completed, the result will be instant and spontaneous immediately after the conversation. Thank you for patiently listening me. This is Balakrishna signing out.